If you're looking for your soulmate, your divine person, your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your kingdom spouse, stop. Your person, your specific person is going to find you, actually, when you do what you love. Your person is going to find you, so you're not going to find them, when you're going to be aligned with what you came here to do. When you're going to do what is passionating for your soul, they're going to arrive. No need to rush, I'm hearing. No need to seek. And I'm hearing also no need to seek for validation. It's because when you're going to finally do what you came here on this planet to do, you're going to stop people pleasing, do what others expect. So I'm talking to a beautiful soul that has been manipulated at some point in their life, probably by a family member, to do what they were expecting you to do, and you're about to break free, or you break free already. And when you really embodying your truth, mean 222 on the timer, it's love, and it's around, and it's here for some of you, and it's beautiful. Because when you think about it, you're like, thank you for the confirmation. Obviously, you want to be passionate with what you're doing. I'm hearing codependency, so that's why you're not codependent to the wrong person. Your focus, not fake love, can disturb you out of your mission. Because when you click with your mission, again, you've been sacrificing so much to align with your soul mission that not even love can disturb you fulfilling your mission. So you all know that this is true love. They will be actually very happy for you. They will find you very sexy, embodying your truth, doing what you love, manifesting money through what you're doing. So that's why we want to work on our traumas. We want to align with our specific divine mission to fulfill our soul. This is how we're going to vibrate so high that the love cannot be a mistake. Someone out there, change. A lot of change is coming. Maybe you're not with the right person. You're going to have, I'm hearing the embodiment of truth. Okay. So now, someone genuinely happy for you, fulfilling your mission. Again, you're going to vibrate love, doing what you do, fulfilling your purpose. And because you're going to vibrate this love is going to reflect you. You're going to attract your specific person naturally. Family, your soul family, who, when I'm also tapping into your family, betrayed you. Say somebody you somewhere my somewhere doing a day. That's why you're craving, I'm hearing you're craving this happily ever after. You're craving, your soul is craving this. This is your dream. Creating a beautiful, peaceful family, harmony. I'm hearing you'll know. You'll know, because you've been betrayed. So, this wants to come. Happiness. The happy family. I cannot make this up. I cannot just... There is comeback. I keep... Okay, it's crazy. There is comeback from a lie. The repetitive pattern is coming until it's finally over. There is a wound regarding the family. I think you grew up in a very toxic environment, and I think dispute, fight, you've been raised in a very fight mood, environment. And that's why it's difficult for you to I'm really tapping into someone like codependency again. It's difficult for you to just align with your mission because you keep repeating the same pattern over and over again. It's based on this betrayal. Manipulation, I'm hearing. You've been lied to. This is beautiful because you're about to break this curse. And this is success. This is so beautiful. You're about to break this curse and find this love connection. I'm really connecting into your Akashic records. This fight environment, you've been programmed to reproduce always the same. And now you are emancipating you out of this trauma, or you're about to do it. And that's how you're fulfilling fully your mission. And this is how you meet your true soulmate. You found it into work. It's through work, that's what I'm saying. Fulfilling your mission. You meet your person because you're aligned. This is absolutely beautiful. You've been through a lot. I send you so much love, light, and truth right now. And if you want to dig deeper, check my website. I offer very powerful sessions and one-on-one session. You can contact me directly via the link in the description box below. Until next time, namaste.